Hello friends, welcome back. This is very important video for all of those who have attended TCS Digital Capability Assessment. In this video, we are going to discuss chances of qualifying in TCS DCA 2021. We will also discuss which is the most important section as per qualifying point of view. And we will also discuss is one program sufficient to qualify for this exam. And what will happen if you have faced compiler issue during the assessment. And result date. We will discuss all these things in this video. So first of all, there was verbal ability section, and this was very easy section as per the opinion of most of the candidates, and this was really easy. So most of the candidates have done very well in this section, so you must have done well in this section. Now numerical ability section, and this was the most important section as per the qualifying point of view, because I have taken the feedback of so many candidates who have given this assessment and who have qualified this assessment. There is a reason for numerical ability to be the most important. That is, they want to test your problem solving skill, because you have to be innovative and you have to solve multiple problems in doing that task. And you may have must seen that in your aptitude portion there was a question of some analytical part, that you have to analyze some data and some type of these, that is they want to check your intelligence. So this was very important section, and most of the candidates are giving feedback that they have not done very well in this section. So there is chance if you have not done so much well in this section, because others have also not done it very well in this section. But if you have done good in this section, then you have very high chance of getting selection in this assessment. Now reasoning ability. So this was also easy section, and most of the candidates have done good in this section. And now finally coding section. In this section, most of the candidates have faced compiler issue, and few got confused that if they can switch to second program or not, and they missed their second program because they wasted their whole time in first program. And there is question from your side that is one program sufficient. So guys, according to me, as I have taken feedback of multiple candidates, and as I have seen, there are negligible candidates who have done both the programs absolutely correct. So according to that data that I have, one program will be sufficient. But for that, your numerical ability section should be very strong. But there is a bad news according to me. If you have done good in only verbal ability and reasoning ability, and not done good in numerical ability and coding section, then guys, I am sorry to say that you do not have good chance of getting selection. And if you have done average in all sections, then you have good chance of getting selection also. So guys, if I prioritize the section as per qualifying point of view, then I will prioritize numerical ability first, coding section second, verbal ability third, and last will be reasoning ability. So this is my point of view. This is not the official confirmation or anything else. This is just the feedback of multiple candidates and experience of candidates who have got selected in TCS Digital. But according to me also, they have given reasons. This data is correct that I am giving you. What will happen if you have faced compiler issue? So guys, if you have done program correct from your side and you have faced compiler issue, then you have not to worry, because in most of the cases when TCS takes assessment, most of the candidates every time faces compiler issue. But even though they have faced compiler issue, they got selected. As I have taken the feedback of many candidates, so they must have some mechanism from which they check the program, but I don't know about that. But you should not worry about that if you have faced compiler issue. Now result date. Generally results are declared in 8 to 10 days, so you must wait 8 to 10 days, and as soon as result will be declared, you will get update from this channel. So guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe this channel IT India.